After almost 3 years away, Safety and Health Expo is back in person for 2022, taking place from the 17th to the 19th of May at XL London, and registration has officially opened. I'm Ian Hart, editor of SHP, and I'm here to tell you why you should register for the UK's largest dedicated health and safety event. Safety and Health Expo is a chance for anyone with health, safety and wellbeing remit to source solutions across occupational health, wellbeing, PPE, site safety and more. As always, we're putting together a fabulous seminar programme with themes that will include the latest on safety culture, mental health, occupational health, accident investigations and prosecutions, legislation, driver safety, lone working and much, much more.
After so long without a physical event, take the opportunity to reconnect. Make up for lost time by learning and sharing with the safety and health community. Attending Safety and Health Expo 2022 will also give you access to 4 other events, allowing you to connect with other key communities across fire safety, smart buildings, facilities management and security.